Let's talk about copier maintenance agreements, because this is one of those things that sounds simple right up until your first invoice shows up. Then it's, wait, what am I paying for? Is toner included? Why did my bill change? Totally fair questions, so let's walk through it in plain English. At a high level, a maintenance agreement is designed to keep your copier running without a bunch of surprise charges. Typically, it includes things like service and labor, parts, toner, ongoing support. The exact structure can vary a bit depending on the agreement, but the goal is always the same: keep things running and keep things predictable. And one thing that's often overlooked is training. At Fisher's, ongoing training is included as part of that support. So if you have staff turnover, new team members, or your business needs change, you're not stuck figuring it out on your own. We can walk your team through it remotely or come on site if needed, depending on what makes the most sense for your team. Because having the right machine is one thing. Knowing how to use it is what really makes the difference. You might hear cost per copy or CPC. All it really means is you're paying a small amount per page printed. That's what typically covers toners, parts, and service over time. So when printing goes up, usage goes up. Nothing complicated, just usage. Most agreements include a base allotment. That's your typical monthly or quarterly usage built into the agreement. Think of it as your baseline, the level of printing your business normally runs at. As long as you're within that range, your bill stays constant. If you go above that range, that's when overages come into play. If you're below it, your bill doesn't usually drop because that base level of service, support, and supplies is still in place. This is where confusion usually happens. Overages just means you printed more than your base allotment. That is, not a penalty, not a surprise fee, just additional usage. More printing means more toner, more wear, more service. So the cost adjustment based on terms of your agreement. Another common question, why isn't my bill the same every month? Because your business isn't the same every month. Some months are busier, some are quieter. If you go above your typical usage, your billing can increase. If you're below it, your billing usually stays at the base level. So it's not random. It's just tied to your own business actually operating over time. And yes, let's answer that big one. In most managed print agreements, toner is included. So you shouldn't need to go out and buy it separately. If you are, it's probably worth a quick check-in because the goal here is simple. You print, we keep you supplied. You shouldn't need a decoder ring to understand your copier bill. If it's feeling confusing, we should probably fix that.